Welcome to this demonstration of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for manufacturing. This solution helps manufacturing companies empower employees to work more efficiently, optimize supply chain operations, and leverage the Internet of Things to resolve customer issues faster. Renae Barber is an account manager for a manufacturing company who converts opportunities into sales. Renae is working with a customer on a new sale. The quote includes a summary of key information, a price list, an estimated budget, and more. Renae can see that a product-based line has already been added to the quote. She adds a project-based line to the same quote to ensure the product is properly installed. She adds the name of the service and indicates that the customer will be billed for time and materials used. When she indicates the associated project, previously generated estimates are pulled into the quote. With connected sales and service capabilities, Renae can review a profitability analysis to ensure the quote meets the customer's budget and timeline before it's presented. Once the customer has reviewed and approved the quote, Renae can close the quote as won with the click of a button. Spencer Lowe is a project manager who ensures projects are completed on time and within budget. From here, Spencer can track the progress of his team's active projects. This project is in the plan stage of a business process flow with steps prescribed by the company to ensure projects are consistently executed. Spencer can use the built-in work breakdown structure to generate a project team. The solution automatically recommends the roles required to get the job done. Now, he's ready to book resources for each role. Later, once staff have entered their timesheets into the system, Spencer can approve their hours in just a couple steps. And he can create an invoice to send to the customer right from here. Emma Bush is a production planner who ensures there's on-hand inventory for order fulfillment. Because the solution connects front and back office operations, Emma can easily process sales orders that were placed by the sales team. For instance, she can review sales orders and release them to the warehouse. To ensure inventory availability, Emma can generate a demand forecast that leverages Azure Machine Learning Insights to accurately predict future demand for the company's products and services. Bernard Faucet is a truck driver who ensures customers get the right goods on time. Bernard is logged into a custom-built restocking app, developed without code using Microsoft Power Apps. Guided prompts walk Bernard through the loading process, and the app even suggests driving routes. If he arrives at the delivery site and discovers a missing component, Bernard can include a comment to let the back office know. Alan Knotts is a customer service representative who manages incoming service requests. From Dynamics 365, Alan can review alerts generated by remote-connected devices the company maintains. By leveraging the Internet of Things, customer device sensors can detect anomalies and communicate them back to the manufacturer, as shown in this simulation. In this case, a customer's device has overheated and generated an automatic alert for a service representative to review. Alan opens the alert to look into the issue. Alan can review the automatically generated case record and create a work order to ensure the issue is investigated right away. Next, he can easily book a resource with the right skills for the job, either by manually scheduling the recommended resources or by leveraging the solution's auto-assign capabilities. In this case, he manually books a field engineer whose skill set matches the work requirements. Logan Gilbreth is a field engineer who completes work orders. Working from a tablet, Logan can get turn-by-turn driving directions to each job site. When he arrives at a site, he changes the booking status to "In Progress" to let the back office know he's working on resolving the issue. When he's finished, he opens the service task and indicates that the repair is complete. Logan adds a note with a photo and description of the work that future technicians can reference. And then he marks the booking complete, so the system can track the job's duration, valuable data that can be used to scope future work. You've just seen how Dynamics 365 for Manufacturing helps companies empower employees to work more efficiently, optimize supply chain operations, and leverage the Internet of Things to resolve customer issues faster. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative or visit our website.